Hey guys, stop scrolling. Welcome back to ZUDAKO. Today's video is very important because AI is not just growing, it is changing governments, companies, and even the future on the internet. In last 24 hours, some big updates came out. uh, we are talking about government controlling AI, Google changing how search works, Meta building personal AI agents, NVIDIA versus new chip wars, deepfake dangers, uh, and new AI model coming very soon. So make sure you watch this video till the end because the last update can completely change the AI industry. So let's start. Okay, so the first big news is coming from the United States government. Now, what does this mean? Right now, different states in the US have different AI rules, but now the government wants one single AI law for the whole country. And why? Because AI is becoming too powerful, and different rules are creating confusion. They are focusing on AI safety, data center power usage, political content control. Now, this is important because if you one country start controlling AI strictly, other countries like India, China, Europe will follow. So this is just the beginning of global AI regulation. Now, along with this, another policy is being discussed. This is one focuses on child safety in AI. The government wants AI platforms to protect children, no harmful content generation, more strict monitoring, and also they are talking about AI data centers energy usage because AI needs huge electricity. Imagine this, every time you use AI there is a massive data centers working behind it. So governments are now asking uh, how much power is AI consuming. This shows one thing clearly: AI is no longer just technology, it is now infrastructure like electricity and internet. Uh, now, this is shocking. Tech companies and political groups are spending $265 million just to influence AI laws. Yes, you heard that right. Companies don't want strict AI rules because uh, strict rules slower innovation, more restriction, less profit. So that are trying to influence elections. This means AI is now becoming a political battlefield, just like internet, social media, data privacy. AI now the next big power. Okay, now let's talk about Google. Uh, Google is slowly rolling out something very powerful. It's called Personal Intelligence Gemini. What does it do? Uh, this AI can connect to Gmail, Photos, YouTube, Google search, and give personalized answer. Example: instead of general answer, it can say based on your emails, based on your photos. This is next level personalized, but there is big question: privacy. Google says it is it is optional, but still this is huge shift. AI is moving from general assistant to personal life assistant. uh, okay, now this one is very important for creators and businesses. Google is planning to bring ads inside AI chats. Yes, just imagine you ask something and AI suggests products and services. This means search ads will change, marketing will change, content creation will change. In future, instead of website ranking, AI answers will rank and ads will be inside those answers. So this is a huge shift in digital marketing industry. Okay. Now coming to big tech collaboration, IBM and NVIDIA are working together. Their goal is simple: help companies use AI at large scale. What does that mean? Big businesses want AI, but they don't know how to implement it. So, IBM will provide software plus consulting. NVIDIA will provide hardware plus chips. Together, they are building the AI backbone for enterprises. This is not small news. This is how AI will enter every big company. Okay, now this is serious. Experts are warning about AI generated fake videos. Deep fakes are becoming so real, right? That people cannot tell what is real and what is fake. This is happening especially in war videos, news content, political speeches. Imagine this: a fake video spreads and people believe it. This can create panic, spread misinformation, destroy trust. So now the biggest problem is not AI taking jobs, but AI breaking trust. Another AI issue is AI hallucination. This means AI gives wrong or fake answers confidently. And now experts are saying this is the bigger problem than job loss, because people trust AI, but AI is not always correct. So companies are now focusing on accuracy, transparency, and reliability. In simple words, uh, AI must become trustworthy. Okay. Uh, Now get ready because more AI models are very coming soon. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic are preparing new launches. We may see more powerful models, faster responses, better reasoning. This is like a race. Who builds the smarter AI? And trust me, this is just getting started. Okay, now this is the crazy part. Mark Zuckerberg is building a personal AI agent for himself. Yes, for himself. This AI will help him run Meta, make decisions, manage tasks, and the bigger vision. uh, every person will have their own AI agent. Meta is planning to bring this to 3.5 billion users. Imagine this: your own AI assistant that understand you better than anyone. Uh, this is the future of personal AI. Okay, now let's talk about hardware. Big companies are building their own AI chips. Why? Because NVIDIA is dominating AI chips. But now uh, uh, Amazon, Google, Microsoft are building custom chips. Even Amazon is investing heavily in its titanium chips. Right? This means AI is not just software anymore. It is also hardware war. And whatever win this controls the future of AI. Okay. Now, final and very serious news. Uh, there is a debate happening. Should AI use in military? Some companies are saying no. Some are saying yes. Uh, for example, one company refused military use, another agreed with defense deals. So now governments are asking, where should we draw the final line? This is not just tech anymore. This is about ethics and humanity, right? Okay, so guys, today's AI news shows things clearly. AI is no longer just a tool; it's shaping the future of the world. Uh, from governments, from big tech companies, wars, businesses, personal life, everything is changing. Now, I want to ask you: are you excited about AI, or are you worried? from AI. Comment below, and if you want to daily AI updates like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to ZUDAKO, and turn the bell icon. uh, I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.